So we have some newbies. Oh, I used to rock the doobie. Honey, move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Yes! You know you rocking with the just freshness. I get okay. I just get freshness from this. Honey, only thing I know is the fancy, looking like the Lanceys. Now, did you guys happen to see these lanterns, the LED pumpkin looking like the mumpkin? Oh, child, at the it is the newbies at the tree for me. Honey, did you see these? Let's get into it. 1, 2, 3. So if you gorgeous folks are looking for something that is going to help you unwind and relax and honey, dream on. Dollar Tree has the QUR 2-in-1 dough action. This is to help you relax. Now, they have a few others, and that's word to the mother and the brother. They also have this one as well. This is to ground yourself and focus. Oh, child, I like that. They also have this one as well. Uplift, lifted, calm, positive balance. Oh my, honey, looky cookie. Now, the other day I had purchased these 3 right here. These are inhalers. I said vapors because that's what it said on here. Long lasting vapors are inhalers. Now, they have aromatherapy inhaler, tropical oil applicators. This one is lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood. This one is to help you relax and unwind and dream on. And then they also have this one. This is uplift, lifted, calm, positive balance, sweet orange, grapefruit, and geranium oil. Then we have centered. So this one is to help you ground yourself, rosemary and peppermint and lemon. So the other day when I did purchase this one, I did give it a go like Joe. This is the lavender and chamomile. Now, one of the things that I will say that this is very, very strong. Okay, strong, not in a sense where as though it's gonna knock your socks off, even if you don't have socks on, but strong in a sense like you can smell this stuff. But inhale it. It also say, you know, on one side you sniff, okay, you can inhale it. On this side that has like the little ball on here, you can put this on different parts of your body. You can put this like places like your wrist, your temples, you know, or pause points. Now, it works faster when it reaches the senses directly. So I guess like when you are sniffing it, and it says on here that you're supposed to, you know, inhale it 2 to 3 times. Now, I didn't fall asleep when I had used this the other day, but I did feel relaxed. So this is $1.25. And then they also have the center. Honey, the only thing that I didn't really care for, I wish that these was wrapped up instead of you just opening the box up and then it's like exposed. But nonetheless, this is pretty much how they look. Okay, and this one is to ground yourself and for you to focus. So you inhale. This one kind of smells like lavender too, unless maybe it's just me because I just smelled the lavender. But oh my, looky to the cookie. These smell so good. Oh my. So first up, we have these wipes. Now, when I tell you these facial wipes at Dollar Tree are tea, I had purchased these about a week and a half ago. Oh my, looky cookie. Now, this is the cucumber and hydrosol. They smell terrific. You're talking about well moisturized, movie groovy, glowy flowy. Is definitely going to be this one. Now today, I have purchased the Sugar Glow Niacinamide and Coconut Oil wipes to soften and protect. If this is anything like this, oh honey, it's a go, definitely like Joe. Now, on the packaging, it says, smell good, look good, feel, wait, face white pads. Honey, they should have said, smell good, feel good, look good. Now, I'm going to take one of these and just go over it, you know, because, honey, I'm glammed out. Now, I'm going to take this and just take this makeup off on this side. Honey, when I tell you, oh my goodness, it is, this is really, really good. Oh, it's going to take everything off. So, this is a Winnie Win times 10. So I heard that you was looking for some new beauty finds at the tree. Well, honey, did you see the LA colors that's definitely gonna have you move your feet to the beat? Ooh, child. It is the lip gloss at the tree for me. All right, honeys, y'all gonna have to move your feet 1, 2, 3 to the beat for this one. Now, these are the new LA Color Moisturizer and Lip Gloss. Now, this one is called Glaze. It has the shimmer to it, glossy, of vitamin E at the tree. Now, if you are looking for one that looks absolutely amazing, it is definitely going to be Just Kiss. This is, oh my. Honey, it's the shine and the shimmer for me. Now, Dollar Tree also have this one as well. This one is called Dream of Pink. Ooh, look how that light hit the gloss. Ooh, honey, it ain't a force. Can I show you all the exciting new finds at the tree? Ooh, 1, 2, 3, Linda, move your feet to the beat. Check these items out. When I say, honey, honey, look at this. Looky cookie, Oracle, Red Bull, Racing, the world's most elite car care. Oh, honey, it is the car care for me. Now, Dollar Tree has the interior detail wipes for all surface protections. They also have this amazing high shine spray wax, medium shine protectant, high gloss tire shine. Oh my, honey, give it up for Dollar Tree 1, 2, 3. Honey, it is the exterior detailer Hybrid ceramic spray for me at the darn tree. These next items, I could assure you, you definitely are going to move your feet to the beat. Honey, I could assure you that. Because these next finds are a treat, only if you move your feet. So, when it comes to the fall decor, looky cookie. Honey, it is the, what is this supposed to be? A groundhog, honey? I don't know. This is movie groovy, all right? Now, looky cookie. They have all types of finds. Honey, it is the porcupine with the hat and the glasses for me. Look at Mr. Porky. Oh, honey, 1, 2, 3, move your feet to the beat. Now, if you guys really want to do it, honey, ain't nothing to it. Look, Dollar Tree has these Halloween decor. Now, let me tell you something. They also have something similar like this on TikTok Shop. I am not going to begin to tell you how much they want for it on TikTok Shop. But, honey, it is the movie groovy items for me. Look at the butterfly in the tree, honey. And look at the skeleton 1, 2, 3. Honey, it's the wings for me. Okay, that's at the tree. Now, Dollar Tree also have the bag. Honey, is where Zag. Oh my, looky to the cookies. Now, which one would you guys prefer? Is it the butterfly 1, 2, 3? Is it the skeleton move your feet to the beat? Or is it the bat? Where is it? For me, it is definitely the butterfly in this case. I'm a skull girl, but it's the butterfly 1, 2, 3. The only thing I can do, boo, is show you the fancies. Looking like the Lancies. Check this out. Honey, it is these pumpkin tumblers for me at the tree. Now, they come in 3 different colors. They have the orange 1, 2, 3. You know, green is my thing, like a darn chicken wing. They also have the white. Look at that. Oh, child, $1.50. Where is that? With these deals, steals, trails for real, I have to wake the whole neighborhood up, okay? Looky cookie. You looking for a fancy treat that's gonna have you move your feet to the beat? It is the pumpkin tray for me at the tree, $1.50. They also have the leaf. Now, They have a whole collection at the tree. This is pretty much the collection. They have 2 different colors when it comes to the leaves. They also have 2 different pumpkin colors. Love this. So I heard that you was looking for something fancy at the tree. I said, girl, I got you. 1, 2, 3. Dollar Tree has these bluey headbands. Game am I a game? It says the quick question game of what am I? This is so movie groovy for game night. Love this. Looking for a natural soap? Oh honey, Dollar Tree has the peppermint soap. Oh honey, definitely move your feet to the beat for this one. Now I heard you was looking for a nice fancy treat. Honey, sweet for you and me. So honey, it is the Nutella ice cream for me. 1, 2, 3. And then they also have Kinder. Oh my goodness, this candy is so delish. Love this. So if you guys are looking for a notepad that's not a joke, honey, it's gonna be the Diet Coke. Get into this and do this. $1.50 at the tree. All right, my loves, let us know in the comment section what was your favorite finds. Mine definitely was the LA colors, also those vapors. Those were, oh my goodness, when I tell you the scent is so strong. Oh, it's so strong. And or the fall decor, the little squirrel. Oh honey, the squirrel was movie groovy. And then they also had the porcupine. Honey, he was the professor. Now, I love you guys. Keep rocking out. Believe in yourselves. Keep going and growing. Until next time, don't drop that time.